Yeah, nice group, Robin. I think you did a great job tonight, and it's been a very friendly and welcoming experience. So kudos to you for doing a great job today. But one thing I think that I learned is that everybody has lots of ideas, and that sometimes we just need a kick in the seat to get moving and to do things and to remind ourselves. Even I mentioned this to Sam. I said, it sounds cliche, but we really all do have the same 24 hours in a day.
Yes, absolutely. And there's a lot we can do with it, but we don't have to do all the things. So coming together and
Yeah, right.
collaborating and, finding new ways to think about things is very valuable. And I really commend you all for having done that tonight. And I'm just so excited that I can be of service to just have everybody meet that way. So